Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel HowToGuide. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a Gmail account on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any other browser of your choice and simply type Gmail in the search bar and click on the official Gmail website mail.google.com. Once you are on the home page, here is the option create an account for personal use. A new screen will open. Here you can add name. As example, I add lame name. Click next. Next you will be asked to enter your birthday. I will add January 18 1996 an example, and you can select your own gender and click on next. Google will suggest you a Gmail address for you. Here you can create your own custom Gmail address. An example, I used name in 96. After entering your desired email, click next. You will be promoted to create a strong password for your Gmail account. Ensure that your password is secure and not easily guessable. After selecting your password, click on next. At this point, Google may ask for a recovery email address. If you have any Gmail account, you can add it here for additional security. For now, I will skip this step. Sometimes Google may require phone number verification. You can choose to skip it if available, or if it is mandatory, you can add your phone number and click next. Once you complete this step, you will be presented with Google privacy and terms. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on I agree. After you agree to the terms, your brand new Gmail account will be created and you can now start using it for sending and receiving emails and other talks. I hope you found this quick guide helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends and hit the subscribe button so you can never miss of any updates. Thank you.